Hello everyone, welcome back to Fusion Fashions. Today I am back with so many new kurti collections, beautiful prices, beautiful festive wear collection. So we will start with the first kurti in pink color. Okay, see this very beautiful pink kurti. This I have sold nearly 6 pieces from 3 days. So this only 2 pieces are available in double XL size. Double XL size, whoever are 44 bust size, they can easily go for this. 44 bust size people can go for this. Only 2 kurtis are remaining. Price will be 1200. Price will be 1200. Okay, very beautiful. It is wishful kurti and the MRP is 3599. MRP is 3599. Beautiful neck yoke part is very beautiful, very rich look with the gotapatti lace and all, very beautiful one. And on the sleeves also here you are getting gotapatti here, and this is in georgette fabric you can see, and here silver lace is given, very beautiful. You can carry this with white trousers. It will give you very rich and elegant look for the festive season. Very beautiful kurti. Only 2 pieces are remaining. Whoever want, please take a screenshot and send me on the given WhatsApp number 9090509081. Okay. So we will go with the next kurti. Okay. It is in viscose silk, and this one is very beautiful foil print kurti. You can see here 3/4 sleeves will come. On the sleeves also foil print will come, and this is branded foil print which will not go very easily. Foil print, see, you can see it will give very vibrant festival look. It is in deep blue color. Sizes are available. This is Biba 38. In these sizes are available. You can take a screenshot and you can ask me for the sizes, and the price will be 950. 950 will be the price. Back side also you are getting beautiful print, and front side also you are getting very beautiful print. This is just for 950. Just for 950. Sizes are available. You can pair up with this one with this one what you can pair up this one with golden leggings or golden trousers or golden plazos. It will give you very rich and vibrant look on your festival. We'll go with the next kurti. It is in regular wear collection. Okay, only just for 500 rupees only. Very beautiful rayon material, blue color with white combination, with beautiful embroidery at the neck. Size is 42 bust size. 42 bust size, very beautiful, just for 500. And this one is wishful shrug, different in georgette material it is. On the sleeves also you are getting moti work and glass work, like the sequence work is on the sleeves, and at the neckline also sequence work is there. Here also sequence work is there, and here you can see the sequence work. This is all silver work. This is wishful kurti, and see here all moti work is given, and it is in high slit type. On any white plain kurtas you can carry this truck, very beautiful one, georgette piece, and this one will fits to XL and double XL people. XL and double XL people can go for this. Very beautiful, just wow piece. It is in georgette. Even I have spent many bucks on this georgette pieces. To buy a shrug and all I have spent around 3000 4000 like that, and you people are getting this type of fabric, the two georgette fabric, in just for 1300 only. 1300 only, with two digital print. See the print, it is just wow, very beautiful. You can wear it on very plain kurtis all and all. Okay, next we will go with Biba 2-piece set, very beautiful. This is festive collection, summer elegance collection it is from Biba. Okay, MRP is nearly 2999. See the sleeves. Okay, on the sleeves the golden this one is coming. Okay, golden lace is coming here. Very beautiful. It is very beautiful summer elegance collection for summer festivals and all. It is the detailing is of very gold zari work and gold print. Bright highlighting is given, bright to pastel colors are given. And see this one, it is mix up of chanderi and cotton pieces. It is chanderi silk and with the golden border and all. Very beautiful foil print is also given. Okay, it is like jacket style. You can see from here the slit will come. These are slits, and along with this beautiful inner will come in cotton. This is just wow piece. It is in A-line pattern. Very beautiful piece. This one is just for 1100. This one is just for 1100. MRP I have told you. MRP is around 2999 and you are getting this one for 1100. Cotton kurti, very beautiful. It is in green color. Very beautiful cotton material with ikhat print pattern and with the button style and all. S size is available. S size is available, and I will tell you the measurement of S size, for which bust size it is going, and this one is just for 500. 36 bust size people can go for this. This is just for 500. Okay. Next one is very beautiful. It is also festive wear collection in affordable ranges. The size is 46 bust size. Very beautiful one with beautiful ghera and with the foil print. And these prints are branded prints which will not go very easily. Some people will be saying that foil prints will become black, but I am assuring the quality of the products whatever I am giving you. These are all branded fabrics, and there will be no color loss, there will be no color change or nothing. Such cases, if such cases will come, I will take it return I will take, but it should be within 7 days. The complaint should be raised within 7 days, so that I will take return. So I am assuring you the no print will go, and we are giving these beautiful fabrics at very affordable range. Okay, see this one, very beautiful kurta from Wishful. The MRP is 3599, and we are giving this one 36 bust size, and another one size is also available for 38 bust size. No, 38 bust size is there, and another one for 44 bust size is there. Okay, 3 sizes are available. Very beautiful kurti. At the neckline you can see the detailing. This is the moti work, sequence work, very copper sequence work it is. Very beautiful one, and georgette sleeves are there. On the sleeves also copper sequence work is given. Very beautiful foil print kurti it is. This is just wow piece. Okay, and this one you are getting at just for 1450. Very beautiful piece at just for 1450. I told you 36 bust size, 38 bust size, 40 bust size, and 44 bust size. These sizes are available in this one. Okay, very beautiful one, and at the bottom you can see the golden border also. Okay, back side you are getting plain, and it is in viscose silk fabric. See this another kurti from Wishful, blue color, very vibrant color for festival, and with the golden border like this, and with the moti work and all. And at the sleeves arm portion also there is a golden lace is given, and with the moti work, and sides also there is a lace with the moti work, and at the neck region also there is a lace with the moti work. Very beautiful, simple, elegant kurti we can say. Just wow piece, 4-sided bordered with the lace. Okay, and this one it is in offer price only, just for 850 only. Sizes are available in this, and it is in viscose silk fabric. Okay, now what I am showing, it is for 48 bust size. It is for 48 bust size, very beautiful one. Another thing, one speciality of this kurti is there is a design, zari design at the back. Okay, see this one, very beautiful detailing with settled embroidery it is there, and at the neck also, back neck also there is a lace. Okay, and this design, it gives very rich look to it. You just carry a plazo, golden plazo along with this, and this festival will be just vibrant with this vibrant blue color. Okay, we will go with the next kurti, very small size, like extra small size. People will be complaining me that I am not giving good kurtis, festive kurtis for them. So this is for them, very beautiful yellow color with golden foil print. Okay, it is also wishful kurti, and at the sleeves sequence work is there with golden lace. Okay, very beautiful kurti, and at the neckline, see, you can see very beautiful sequence work and a very beautiful moti work and all. Okay, and it is, see, one speciality of branded things, you will get all the accessories like thread, you will get moti, extra motis, extra sequence and all. This is wishful 6 size. MRP is 2999. Okay, and at the bottom you can see very beautiful lace is given, lace, golden lace is given, and it is viscose silk fabric, very beautiful. Carry this with any golden color, black color things. You can wear skirts also to this, it gives very rich look. Okay, very beautiful one, and the price will be 850. Price for that beautiful kurti is just for 850. Okay, that kurti yellow color, golden one, and this one is W14 size, and in this W10 size is available, W16 size is available. This kurti is just for 500, just for 500. And I am telling you guys, actually whatever price I will get, like if I'll get for very with less margin, I am selling everything, and you can have a trust that whatever I am giving, that will be worth of the price to the material. Okay, so very beautiful one. This kurti is just for 500. Sizes are available. If you want, you can WhatsApp me, take a screenshot and just WhatsApp me and book this piece. Okay, see this one, very beautiful kurti in off-white color. It is like cambric cotton, very soft cotton it is. Khadi cotton we will say, very soft khadi cotton, not that rough one khadi cotton and all. This one, it is black print, this print, urban black print they will say. Okay, see this one, urban black print kurti it is actually. The MRP is 1299 and I am giving you just for 550. Okay, very beautiful one. In this golden print is there, little golden tinge work is there, black urban color print is there. Very beautiful kurti, simple and sober kurti we can say. In this also sizes are available. In this Biba 34 is available, which fits to 36 bust size, and this one is Biba 36, which is fitting to 40 bust size, 38 to 40 bust size. Okay, two sizes always there will be bigger in Biba. Okay, see this one, very beautiful wishful kurti. It is in 38 to 40 bust size, can go for this. 38 to 40 bust size, 38 size can go for this. Okay, see at the neck portion, beautiful moti work is given, like as I showed you the pista green color, it is exactly the peach color of it, peachish pink it is. And georgette sleeves, on the sleeves also there is a sequence work. Okay, with the golden border, very beautiful one. And this one is also just for 1450. Okay, see this one, red color kurti. It is made up of eco cotton, it seems. It is in pure cotton with cotton lining. MRP is 1999. I have bought this same kurti from Biba showroom for 1999 for myself. Now I am selling this one for 850 rupees. Okay, see this one, beautiful button style it is given at the sleeves here also, and this one with the beautiful pocket is also pocket is also available here, and it is in umbrella cut, and in the back side you are getting this type of design. Front will be plain and the back design will come like this. Very beautiful. Sizes are available in this. Sizes are available. 600. This is just for 600. Size I am telling you 36, 38 bust size with the beautiful buttons here. It is also in khadi cotton. You have the button here also. You can tuck the sleeves. Very beautiful one for regular wear, just for 600. See this one, another blue color umbrella kurti. See the sleeves of it, very beautiful one. Foil print is there on the kurti, whole kurti. It is in gown style. It is grey foil print, and these prints will not go easily. It will not go at all. See, I am scratching. It will not go. Prints will not go. Very beautiful one, and the price will be 900. Okay, for today this much only. Tomorrow we will come with another new collection of kurtis. Whoever are watching my video, please, it's a humble request to you all, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and share with your friends, share with your family members, share with your relatives and all. And please do follow my Facebook page also by the name of Fusion Fashions. Instagram page also I am having by the name of fashions.fusion, and I have Telegram group, there you can join and you can see the you will get the updates of the video and all. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care.